The CNCI Achiever Awards 2025, organised by the Ceylon National Chamber of Industries, was held in Colombo for the 24th consecutive year. The event, presided over by Prime Minister Dr. Harini Amarasuriya, was organised to recognise and honour outstanding industrial achievements. Minister of Industry and Entrepreneurship Development Sunil Handunetti, Deputy Minister of Industry and Entrepreneurship Development Chaturanga Besingha, and other distinguished guests graced the occasion.
In the current global context, it is essential that the government and private sector organizations work together to strengthen local industries. Support should focus on building capacity, fostering innovation, facilitating expansion, and improving access to new markets. A resilient and competitive industrial base is not only an economic priority, it is a national necessity. The strength of our industries determines our ability to create jobs, reduce imports, and secure sustainable economic growth for our people. Sri Lanka has many SMEs with strong potential. We must ensure that these enterprises have access to finance, technology, and skills development. The success of local entrepreneurs ultimately strengthens our national economy. It is crucial that we create inclusive pathways for all to participate fully in the industrial sector. Women play a significant role in production, management, innovation, and design, yet their contribution often remains under-recognized. Increasing women's participation in industry is not only a matter of fairness but of economic strategy. When women have equal access to resources, training, and leadership opportunities, the entire industry ecosystem benefits through higher productivity, innovation, and social impact. We are committed to advancing women's economic participation through concrete policies and institutional reforms. This includes improving access to credit and financial services, expanding vocational and technical training, ensuring equal pay for equal work, and addressing barriers such as unpaid care responsibilities that limit women's participation in the workforce. We are also working to strengthen gender-responsive industrial policies that support women-led enterprises and promote inclusive growth. Entrepreneurs contribute significantly to economic and social development. They generate employment, drive economic growth, and introduce new products, services, and ideas that support progress in multiple sectors. Recognizing and guiding local industries is therefore essential.